Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how you can literally inflate anything within Adobe Illustrator just using our 3D and materials options, just using shapes, using a little bit of the shape builder, and we can really create some cool, interesting, innovative looking designs. So what I would like you to do is take the steps that I show you today, implement them into your workflow, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really impressive to show your friends and family and potential clients. So first of all, what I'm going to do is get the rectangle tool here and just create a nice rectangle like so. I'm not pressing shift to create a rectangle there. I'm going to use the direct selection tool to select the two top anchor points there and use the dots in the corners here just to round off the edges like so. And now what I need to do is rotate this 45 degrees. So I'm just going to hover to one in the corner here, and you can see I get the little rotate option on my mouse. And if I press shift, it does it nice and easy for me. So with this selected, I'm now going to go right click, transform, and I'm going to reflect it. I'm going to do a vertical reflection, and I'm not going to press OK. I'm going to press copy. Then I'm going to select everything here, use our shape builder tool, and I'm going to build this 3 shapes into one whole shape here. I'd like to remove these 2 elements. So with the shape builder tool, to remove options and remove elements, you must make sure you press Option for Mac users or Alt for Window users, like so. And there's my nice little love heart. And keep this selected, just position this horizontally and vertically center onto the artboard using my alignment tools. And let's say we put a nice sort of like ready kind of color into this. Let's say like so there. Nice. Okay, I'm yet again going to use our rectangle tool, and I'm just going to come through and create a rectangle all across this artboard here like so. And I'm going to put in a nice sort of like light pinky kind of color. I just need to make sure this is set behind the heart that I created. So just simply right click on it, arrange, center back. Now I'll be using both of these elements here, the rectangle and the love heart in my 3D tools. So just need to make sure that we group them up. So select them both. The keyboard shortcut to do that for Mac users is Command J. For Window users, that's Command G. And for Window users, that's Control G. And with that selected, I'm now going to use my 3D and materials options. My window is situated here, but you can find it in Effect, 3D and Materials. And you can see here, we have Inflate. Wonderful. So we're already starting to inflate our options here. Now, what you can able to do is manipulate the inflate options here. So with the depth, I want to just increase this to about 1,425 pixels. Perfect. Wonderful. Then I'm going to come to my materials option here. I'm going to bring the roughness down to about 0.2. Let's bring up our metallic to about 0.4. We're going to come onto our lighting option here, like so. We're going to keep the intensity at around, let's say, sort of 70% there. Maybe actually increase that to 90, to be honest. Let's keep our rotation at 145. Height, let's probably increase that to about 65, to be honest. Softness at 40 will be okay, and intensity at 50% also will be good. Whenever you're using your 3D materials options, always at the end, make sure that you turn on your ray tracing. I'm going to go for high here and go render. The reason that we turn on our ray tracing and we render our 3D objects is because at the end, you'll notice there is a real sort of like professional look. It really sort of brings it to life. Now, what you may notice, it may take a couple seconds or a couple minutes for you to render your 3D and materials objects, but I'd always say to my students and always say to people viewing my tutorials, just persevere because the results are always, always, always impressive. And like I say, it's the way to do it with 3D materials tools. It really improves the elements for you. It really improves the aesthetics. It brings the rotation angle better, for instance. It makes the inflation better. It makes the materials better. It makes the shine of the materials a lot better. It makes the overall look and feel just a lot better, really. Now, as you can see, mine is taking a little bit of time here, but like I say, if you just persevere with it, what do they say? Patience is a virtue when it comes to using life and anything anything good does take time to create. Okay, so just please, like I say, make sure that you just persevere, carry on. Patience is a virtue. Wait for it, and you'll always get a good end result. Now, this is taking a little bit longer than what I originally planned, but let's hopefully a couple of more seconds now, and this should make sure that this is fully rendered for me. But like I say, guys, I would always do this at the end because you'll just notice the end result. You'll notice the difference. It's quite, as you can see there, quite a huge difference. And there you have it, guys. That's how you inflate anything in Adobe Illustrator using just a few simple tools. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.